Hi, my name is Scott Baker with Riverside Marine. Today we're doing a walkthrough of this 2023 XL 220 Bay Pro. This is a boat motor trailer package. Comes with a bunk trailer along with a 150 horsepower Suzuki Outboard engine, 4-stroke, with a stainless prop. It also has a integrated jack plate on the back of the boat, along with a 3-step telescoping boarding ladder. And if you notice in the bow, it also includes a Minn Kota trolling motor as well. It's a pretty quick boat. When we test drove it, we got up to about 43, 44 miles per hour with this engine package on the back. But from here, why don't we walk our way into the inside the boat and go over all the features. Looking at the bow of the boat, we do have a casting chair. It does have a pedestal. We just took the pedestal out for right now and just put the chair into the deck itself. The Minn Kota Terrova trolling motor, along with plenty of storage on the port and starboard side, along in the center. Over here we do have a cover for the boat, but again, it can be used as storage for any of your belongings. Working our way back to the console, we do have a live well, along with in-console storage for any personal belongings. And the console itself serves as good rod storage. You have 3 rod mounts on each side of the console. And looking at the dash, we do have all your standard gauges, all your switches, but a nice big Humminbird Helix 9 multifunction display. This boat is rated for 8 persons or 1,157 pounds. At the helm, we do have a lean post with 3 rod holders, 2 transom flip-up seats for passengers, and you do have a rear casting chair as well. But this is a great boat if you plan on doing some crabbing, some shallow water fishing, snakehead fishing. Great boat to take it out, go on the bay a little bit, especially in the shallow water rivers. But really nice, solid fishing boat, easy to use, easy to maintain, easy to clean. If you have any questions further on it, or like to make it a point to come visit us and take a look at it in person, please let us know. Number is 410-686-1500. This has been Scott Baker with Riverside Marine. Hope to hear from you soon.